Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to open the gas tank in a Mazda 3. This will be a simple fuel door tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I'm actually on the driver's side of the Mazda 3, and this is, just for full disclosure, this is a 2010 Mazda 3, but every Mazda 3 is going to be very similar. Even if it's not exactly here that you're looking going to be looking somewhere in this general driver area, and it's either going to be a lever or a button, but what you're looking for is this specific logo right here. This actually is it's like a gas pump, it looks like, and that will stand for opening the fuel door. So in this car, all that you have to do is go on where you see the driver's side door, the front driver's side door, you go down, you're gonna find this logo right here. Like I said, it might be somewhere else depending on the year, but it's gonna have this logo, and it might be a lever or a button, okay? You're gonna wanna pull that. So pull the lever, just like that, okay? Now, it might also be somewhere along the dash, so be aware that it might be somewhere there. And then what you want to do is look at the actual gas gauge. You see that beside that little fuel logo, there's an arrow pointing to the right, pointing to the passenger side of the car. That lets me know that the fuel door is actually in the passenger side of the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of the car. I'm going to walk around to the passenger side of the car over here, just like this. And the fuel door, when I pulled the lever, has been popped open. And now, as you can see, I have access to the gas tank. I can take this, I can turn it counterclockwise. To remove it, I can fill it up with gas, and then when I'm done, put that back in place and turn it clockwise, just like that. And it keeps clicking. After it clicks a couple times, once the cap clicks, you're good to go. You only need to click it like once or twice, and that's it. Close the fuel door, and it's good to go. Now you can't open it until you pull the lever again. And that's it. That is essentially how to open the gas tank in a Mazda 3. It's actually a very easy process. Like I said, this is a 2010 Mazda 3, but even if it's a different year Mazda 3, your fuel your fuel door lever or button might be here or somewhere around the driver's side area, but it's gonna have the same logo and it's gonna be the same process pretty much. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.